Hello everyone, I am MD Rakibul, and today I'll present our work titled From Genes to Diagnosis, Explainable Multigraph AI for Early Oral Squamous Cell Carcinoma Detection, conducted under the supervision of Dr. Ganesh Kumar at Universiti Teknologi PETRONAS. Let's delve right into introduction. So, oral cancer is a major subtype of head and neck cancers affecting multiple anatomical regions. Among this, oral squamous cell carcinoma, or OSCC, accounts for nearly 90% of cases of oral cancer. Oral cancer actually defines the location, but OSCC defines the cell type of the cancer. Global burden of oral cancer. Globally, oral cancer is a serious health burden, and around 400,000 new cases annually people get infected by oral cancer. Approximately 180,000 deaths worldwide, according to 2020 reports. And it is projected that there will be increase by 40% by 2040. This highlights actually an urgent need for early and accurate detection. So the problem statement is the major challenge of the oral cancer diagnosis is it's a late diagnosis, leading to 50% 5-year mortality rate. Nowadays, current AI-based approaches suffer actually some serious issues like overfitting, poor generalization, and almost no biological interpretability. This limits their really clinical applicability. The research gap existing studies have critical limitations. There are no integration of biological networks, very weak biomarker reliability, lack of external validation when there are actually multiple cohorts or multiple data sets, no explainability for the results. These gaps actually motivates our research, this study. So the research objectives of our study, our main focus is actually in three distinct parts. Firstly, accurate OSCC classification, then explainable biomarker discovery, and robust cross-cohort validation. For novelty, our contribution includes a multi-graph learning framework. A residual graph neural network will be integrated in multi-graph learning framework. There will be explainability will be defined by SHAP-based explainability, and strict external validation will be maintained throughout the study. Talk about our dataset. We have used 5 distinct gene expression datasets from NCBI. So we know that NCBI is the National Center for Biotechnological Information. So basically, we have used 5 different datasets, so we can avoid no data leakage and independent validation cohorts. So the study pipeline, for our study pipeline, employ the data preprocessing for our 5 datasets. Then we will do the relative log expression, then normalized unscaled standard errors for quality checking. Then we will delve dive into graph construction, and it will consist of co-expression, PPI network, and pathway graph construction. The architecture actually integrates multiple biological relationships to enhance represent the learning. So it will help the model to explain the biological interaction and biological relation model. In first case, we'll input our gene expression data that consists of our 5 datasets. And using those gene expression data, we'll construct 3 different networks to explain our model that how the relation between the model, the networks actually occurs in between the genes. So there will be 3 different graph convolutional. So here is model performance classification. So after doing splitting, then we have done our the classification, and we have compare our ultimate multigraph with 5 different models. There are 3 different ensemble machine learning models and 2 deep learning models. And we have found that our multigraph actually outperformed all the 5 models. And in this figure, we have found that 97.6 accuracy, which actually outperforms all the 5 models. And here, the under the curve comparison plot, here is also our multigraph actually outperforms all the previous, all the compared 5 models, and it achieves 93.6% AUC ROC performance comparison performance. So, according to our, in conclusion, multi-AI improves learning performance very clearly. Explainability enhances the trust of our model, and the model shows a strong potential for clinical impact.